Hi there, YouTube. My order just came in the mail. My new Hammerhead Pro V2s. And today, this video is gonna be a short unboxing video about my new headphones here. There's no review or anything. I'm just unboxing what's inside. Please excuse me for the shaky cam. I don't have a tripod or anything. I'm just using my hands, holding a GoPro here. And that's pretty much it. This is what you'll get when you buy a pair of Hammerhead Pros. I hope this video was somewhat informative. Thanks for watching.